1001A. So there is a no manual valve for no flow. Pump can trip. This is one standby pump is there. So pump 1001A, B, C.
This notes also include till in CCT, right?
Node 8 is up to what?
Node A.
Because it needs to be linked with the CCT.
Yeah, I think we have to.
Yeah, it is linked with coolant content.
Yeah. Correct.
Have to go first to the baby pump. No,
Correct.
you have to go to the baby pump, then to the
Malfunction close.
Yeah, but it is one more.
one more.
Link here.
No, it will come. Malfunction close. If this malfunction trip, so what will happen?
Which one?
Pump 1001A, B, C. Two is running, one is standby. If one trips to high level,
No change or standby will in picture.
that is safer.
Exactly. Yes, this node
Should be part of other
sludge.
sludge.
Exactly. Now we should not discuss now this one. Let us do
Okay.
Switch on next.
the second one. Keep up. We'll come back again. This is separate thing.
Yes, correct. No. I mean, this is the blue line. It is in node 2. You want to consider another node?
Yes, with the sludge, because you are talking on separate.
Okay. Let me see. So sludge wala kaun sa hai? This is a sludge.
Yeah, node 4.
Node 4. This one.
Yeah,
Yes.
node 4. Yeah.
Okay. What is a node 4? Then I have to change the color. No. Node 4 is yellow, right? Dotted line.
You change letter, just mention node 2 in instead of node 4.
Node 2.
Yeah, I put node 4, right?
Yeah, just put it
Node
later. We
4.
will change
Then
that.
other we can change it.
Yeah, I will change later. Okay. Good. I will do it.